Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and unplugging the console so you can work safely. Once done, lay the Xbox on a soft microfiber towel to protect the surface. You need 70% or 90% isopropyl, a cotton swab, a soft microfiber cloth, and a small amount of plastic polish. These are low risk and effective if used gently. Now, test isopropyl on a hidden edge to confirm no finish lifting before touching visible scratched areas. You'll clean the area first. Dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl and remove dirt from scratch grooves so you can judge depth accurately. Once clean, inspect. Surface scuffs will catch light differently, while deep gouges extend past the finish. About 0.5 millimeter matters. For surface scuffs, apply a pea-sized drop of plastic polish to the microfiber and use slow, circular motions. Apply light pressure and keep the polish moving to avoid heat buildup. You finish by buffing the treated area with a clean microfiber cloth until the shine returns and any polish haze is gone. Then wipe lightly with isopropyl to remove residue and let it air dry. If scratches persist after 2 gentle cycles, stop to avoid damaging the finish and consider a professional resurface or cosmetic cover. If the surface dulls or plastic softens, discontinue immediately. That's the key troubleshooting tip to prevent permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.